Switch your treatment center on at the power switch at the start of the working day. Fill the fresh water bottle with a mixture of water and Dentocept S at a ratio of 100:1. Microorganisms can grow in the water lines of the treatment center. Flush the water lines by operating the cuspidor flushing function for at least 1 minute. Flush the instruments using the purge function. Activate the function in the sub-menu of the Start dialog. Hold the instruments over the cuspidor. The instruments will be flushed for the duration of the set time. If the purge option is not provided, the water lines must be flushed manually. Press the tumbler filler 3 times. Hold the syringe of the dentist and assistant element over the cuspidor and press the water key for at least 20 seconds. Now, take the instruments out one by one and hold them over the cuspidor. Activate the spray with the foot control. Then keep the foot control pressed for at least 60 seconds. Repeat the procedure for all other instruments. Reattach the items that were cleaned the previous evening to your treatment center. Perform suction hose cleaning. Place the suction hoses in the adapter in the water unit one after the other and press the gray button to start the function. Prepare your treatment center for the day ahead and configure the dentist and assistant elements with the instruments required for the next treatment.